In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a TXT record in Wix, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. TXT records are commonly used for things like domain verification, email authentication, Google Search Console, or connecting third-party services. I'll walk you through the entire process inside the Wix dashboard so you don't miss anything. And before we dive in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software tutorials like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Once the page loads, log into your Wix account using your email and password. Make sure you're logging into the account that manages the website or domain where you want to add the TXT record. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. From the main dashboard screen, look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps all of the site and domain configuration options. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see the section called Domains and click on it. This will open the Domain Management area where you can control DNS records for your connected domains. Now, inside the Domain section, you'll see a list of domains associated with your Wix account. Click on the domain where you want to add the TXT record. Make sure you select the correct domain, especially if you manage multiple websites. After clicking on the domain, scroll down until you find Advanced DNS or DNS records, and then click on Manage DNS records. This is where you can add, edit, or delete DNS records like A records, CNAME records, and TXT records. Next, look for the option that says Add Record and click on it. From the Record Type drop-down menu, select TXT. This tells Wix that you want to create a TXT record specifically. Now you'll see a few fields that need to be filled in. In the hostname field, enter the host value provided by the service you're connecting to. In many cases, this is just an @ symbol or left blank, but always follow the exact instructions given by the service you're verifying. In the value field, paste the TXT value exactly as provided. This is usually a long string of text, and it's very important not to add extra spaces or characters. For the TTL field, you can usually leave it set to the default value, unless the service specifically tells you to change it. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your TXT record has now been added to Wix. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours, depending on the service. If you're using this TXT record for verification, go back to the service we're connecting and click Verify after some time has passed. And that's it. You've successfully added a TXT record in Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.